I'm going to make some wasabi out of this wasabi paste. I got this from eBay. It's a very small container. The way you make wasabi, it's 2-to-1 ratio. You would take let me get this out. Foil over that. I wasn't really sure what it was. It's my first time buying this. So what I'm going to do now is take 1 teaspoon of this and 2 teaspoons of water. Now I'm going to get the water. Actually, 2 of these to 1 thing of water. My bad, 2-to-1 ratio. It's less water than wasabi. Actually, let me try it first. Put that 1 in there. That 2 in there and see how that look. Because I don't want to put too much in there if it's not needed. I think it is. You make this into a paste. And you let it sit. I think that's what it is. 2-to-1 ratio, like that. Like I was going to do in the first place. But stir it up. Make sure it's stirred up really, really good. Even something, say you turn it upside down, like that. Let it sit for a while. When you turn it upside down, that lets you know that your paste is ready. But this is my first time using the wasabi powder. And you can shape this into a little ball or whatever. If you want to put it on your plate, you can shape it yourself. But what I'm going to do, I'm not going to shape it into a little ball and just sit it on the plate like that. I'm going to put me some Worcestershire sauce in here, mix it together so I can dip it with my sushi. And I'm still going to turn it right here and see how. Yep, it's a paste. Look at that. That's it right there that I just made, that little ball. There it is. And if you like this sort of thing, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I thank you. Bye-bye now. I'm going to make me a sushi roll right now. Oh. The longer this sit, the thicker the paste get. Now I'm going to turn my spoon over to see that. You see that? And I made this out of wasabi powder. It's called wasabi powder. You look it up on eBay. That's all you say is wasabi powder, and you get the one that that you want. And I think that I will set this on the plate and post some Worcestershire sauce on here, in here, to get up that pour down in there, and put a little bit of this in here, and then I'll put a little bit on my sushi also. I think that's enough wasabi for a whole sushi roll. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I'll see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now.